Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make red lobia, which is red kidney beans in a curry sauce. This is the ultimate comfort food for me and my family, and it's very simple to make. Here's what you'll need. 2.5 cups of red kidney beans soaked overnight. These are the herbs and spices you'll need: whole garlic, grated ginger, green chilies, salt, red chili powder, ground coriander, turmeric powder, hot curry powder, whole green chilies, medium onions sliced, dried methi, which is fenugreek leaves, garam masala, a couple of handfuls of coriander leaves for garnishing, 2 cups of chopped tomatoes. On a medium heat, add the onions to a pot. Then add all of the spices on the plate except for the green whole chilies. Add the kidney beans, add 3 cups of water and the chopped tomatoes. Stir and then put the lid on and let it boil on a medium heat for about 40 minutes. After about 40 minutes, take the lid off and let it continue boiling until the liquid has evaporated. Mix well for a few minutes. The onions and garlic should more or less have dissolved. Then add about 3/4 to 1 cup of oil and mix it for about 10 minutes. Then add 8 cups of hot water and simmer on a low heat with the lid on for about 1.5 hours. Now check that the beans are properly cooked, and you can continue boiling this to reduce the gravy to your desired consistency. Once it's ready, garnish with the garam masala and dried methi and coriander leaves. You can serve this with rice or naan, which I'll be showing you how to make in my next video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please do give it a try and let me know how it turns out.